All right, so I think this one's the 400 square foot one. It says retail for lease. Yup. This is definitely smaller. Look in here. What the hell? It has stairs that goes up to where though? Okay, so this looks like it's like 250 square feet, and then maybe the other 200 square feet is upstairs. Yeah, this place is littered with condos and hotels. See, here's this sauna. This is the one I was talking about. So you would have the sign right here, this little empty spot right here. Let's look over here. Let's look over the door. There it is. Yeah, there's got to be an office upstairs. This thing would work, dude, for sure.